Where is the driest place on earth? Sometimes it seems like summer stretches into a hot dry mess, but there are some places on the globe where being dry is taken to an entirely new level. Find out places where rain rarely falls and in some cases hasn't fallen in millions of years. In these dry climates, it's difficult to grow anything because of continuous evaporation, and transpiration means that water doesn't stick around for plant or people to start life. A desert is technically defined as a place that receives less than 254 mm of rain in a year. So according to this statement, at first we have Antarctica. Though Antarctica surmounts a mental picture of snow-covered terrain, but some parts of the continent have seen no rain for 2 million years. The Sahara gets just 25 mm of rain in a year. Antarctica's average annual rainfall is about the same, but 2% of it, known as the dry valleys, is free of ice and snow, and it never rains there at all. There is absolutely no precipitation in this region, and it makes up a 4800 square kilometer region of almost no water, ice or snow. Antarctica can also claim to be the wettest and the windiest. 70% of the world's fresh water is found there in the form of ice, and its wind speed are the fastest ever recorded. The unique condition in the dry valleys of Antarctica are caused by so-called adiabatic winds. These occur when cold, dense air is pulled downhill simply by the force of gravity. The winds can reach speed of 320 km per hour, evaporating all moisture, water, ice and snow in the process. Though Antarctica is a desert, these completely dry parts of it are called somewhat ironically oases. They are so similar to the condition on Mars that NASA used them to test the Viking mission. The next driest place in the world is the Atacama Desert in Chile. The Atacama Desert is a plateau in South America covering a 1000 km stripe of land on the Pacific coast west of the Andes Mountains. It is the driest non-polar desert in the world. Most of the desert is composed of stony terrain, salt lakes, sand and felsic lava that flows toward the Andes. The Atacama Desert is commonly known as the driest non-polar place in the world, especially the surroundings of the abundant Yungay town. The average rainfall is about 15 mm per year, although at some locations such as Arica receive 1 to 3 mm of rain in a year. Moreover, some weather stations in the Atacama have never received rain. In some areas, no rain has fallen there for 400 years, and its average annual rainfall is a tiny 0.1 mm. Taken as a whole, this makes it the world's driest desert, 250 times as dry as the Sahara, as well as the driest place on earth.